Okay guys, we got that Redcat earthquake to convert. It took me a minute, but convert from nitro to electric. There's a few parts that I had to purchase, which was the upper deck here, big difference. The servo saver you can probably do with the other one, but you would have to modify that a little, which is really nothing to do. I have a video on that. I had a fan spare somewhere and a heat sink, so I just stuck those two together, put those in there, and servo. I'm waiting on the wire holder here that goes here, that's in the mail. But another thing too, the receiver casing is not the same as they show it online. All these parts I got off Amazon. Batteries here was just maybe a bit much, but 5200, I think it's like maybe a 60 or something cc or 50 something c. The earthquake usually has, I think it's a 30 something cc in there. So, I'm just using what I have. I have a 35. So really from here back, you have to replace everything inside of here. Everything here had to be redone. The only thing I was really able to use was the whole rear castle, the front castle. But I had to start here, change this out all the way down to the chassis. Here to the chassis. It's pretty expensive, but I just did it over time. ESC. Think about putting this in a different spot. I don't like the way the wheels will turn and shoot water right into that. Even though the body comes down over that. This is somewhere how it goes. But no. And also too, I was thinking about the Terremoto body. I had a Terremoto 10. That's about the same size as this, if not smaller in wheelbase. But it's lighter. I was thinking about using that body, but nah. Here we go again with that, nah. So, also too, you won't be able to get this here at all unless you mod this yourself. Now this is a wheelie bar here, which it does work, but I like my bumpers for that flipping. I don't want anything to come back, like if it was a flip or anything, I don't want it to come back down and push that down in that direction when it's made to go up. It bends up but not down, so at least you can catch this and give it a little support and flip maybe past this bar here and tear my wheels up, because I don't want to find out what a wheelie bar does when a wheel's broke. So like I said, it took a little time. It was very easy to convert it. And again, this was the earthquake 3.5 nitro. I still have the nitro set up, but I just took it out and sat it in the basement and just used the arms and wheels. I'm gonna do something with wheels a little later. I'm gonna sand those down and paint those a different color. At least sand this to scuff out a little so the paint can stick. I have primer and all that stuff for it, so I'm not really too much worried about it. But and another thing I had to do was add shock oil, a thicker shock oil. I went with the 90 and this is what I got. So yeah, it's not that much space there. And it still has space to go down. But that's the 90. And this is where I'm at as far as setting the springs. So that gave me that. I can loosen up some, but right now I just got finished done putting it in there. So maybe I should loosen it up now. And this shouldn't be here, something's leaking. So these shocks probably are bad. I'll just wipe those down. And this one seems to be okay for right now. But I just wiped this one down and put this one in. Did this one right before that one. So, let's see what I get. Yeah, it's pretty nice. But I don't like that right there. That's too close. Because when you gas it, it'll. So meanwhile, this will be dragging rock and everything else. So yeah, I'll raise it back up. But let me see. Everything came piece by piece. I haven't ran it yet. I'm trying to wait till I get the wires and I can mount those down here somewhere. Or I may just do without it and just shrink wrap it because I like my wires to sit up high so the water runs right off. And then got the heat shrink and it just runs right off. Also another issue I think it may be with these trucks is that fan. If you think about it, that fan is there. Now I cut this already because for the exhaust pipe it was melting. But you see where the fan is. So I don't know how much air that's going to get off of your motor or whatever, but and that's what makes me think about changing the body. So that fan is not going to be able to suck no air. The only air it'll probably get is from the front end and maybe, who knows. But also I have other fans that I could use. And I'm going to mount one here. I'm going to mount a fan right here. And glue it down and, matter of fact, maybe here. And just glue it down so I can just shoot air straight through. Because I want my batteries to get cool too. Plus, I think this will be an issue. My gears are exposed. So that would be a big issue as far as rock. I said even to let this breathe, you're throwing rock and everything in here, it's gonna pop, something's gonna get there. And if you look at the way they roll, if something crazy enough rolls in there and pops, they're rolling inward. So imagine a rock popping in there, plastic and metal. And you see which way it's turning, so it's gonna grind that plastic. This is gonna go first. Because it's pulling everything down in there. But I also have a piece of plastic I can, from the body I cut put over top of here. So that's what I'm really thinking about doing. I'm gonna either attach it from here on across or here onto this and just a sheet on across here. Because also I don't want to add no extra weight, no extra anything that can get caught in anything. So as you can see, I zip tied everything down. Whereas though, like I said, worrying about that top area, something going inside there, if you can see it there. So everything is zip tied so it arches over. So, and also I did different with the wire holders over here. I put the battery in here, and then I zip tied these to this, whereas though, you know, everything is pretty much stable. There's nothing jiggling around extra. Everything has extra room. This is another problem I ran into. Whereas though I like these connectors to these. As you can see, these are connectors for the ECS or ESC. So boom. But I have the connectors there already. I have those connectors, the adapters for that. So I'll be back at you guys with a video of me running this maybe in a couple days or so. And let you know what it's hitting for. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Steve, but I think he better get in on this because I'm ready to start up a couple extra projects. So come on, cuz, waiting on you.